Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ezwal and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. Well, today I'm surrounded by a lot more bottles than my previous videos, and I'm in a different environment, which is I'm at my friend's new bar and restaurant called the Obarco. It is located at the Old Nelson Bar, Anjuna Tinto in Anjuna. So today I'll be making some rare cocktails from the Obarco bar menu. Today's first cocktail is going to be the Parabola. This cocktail is based with orange juice, pitch snaps, caju feni, which is our local, and the blue curacao. So take your glass, add some ice. Add the local caju feni. Add about 30 ml of your feni. There you go. 30 ml of your pitch liqueur. Top up with the orange juice. There you go. And just give a dash of the blue curacao. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. To complete your drink, let's garnish it with a orange with a cherry. There you go. Add your straw and add a stirrer. Cheers. That's your Parabola. Moving on to the next cocktail, which is a Goan Mimosa. This cocktail is based with caju feni, orange juice and lemon mix. So let's get started. Take your shaker, add some ice. Add about 30 ml of your caju feni. There you go. A dash of lemon mix. And orange juice. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. Take your champagne flute and just pour your drink in the glass. There you go. To complete your drink, you just drop a cherry. There. Cheers, guys. That's your Goan Mimosa. Enjoy. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a Goan Susegad. So this cocktail is going to be done by the owner of the bar, that's Lloyd Fernandez, and I would like to welcome Lloyd to perform the next cocktail. So Lloyd, welcome and thank you for having us here today. It's a privilege. And so Lloyd will be doing the third cocktail, which is the Susegad Goenka. So Lloyd. So Lloyd, as you're making this cocktail, I would like to know, like, what is the concept behind this bar?
This bar used to be called Old Nelson Bar. This was a Nelson Bar,
okay.
And it was very famous for sports bar. So we have kept in mind to keep it as a sports bar. We just increased small stuff upstairs and everything. But main thing for us is the live screening of the big screen.
Okay, so you mean to say FIFA and football?
All
sports.
Cricket, whatever is of the day, what the crowd wants.
Understand.
There is a majority of them wants to watch cricket. We screen cricket.
So basically, you're more flexible to the crowd,
yes,
and to their request.
For the crowd, yes.
Okay, that would be great. So Lloyd, the Susegad Goenka, what is this cocktail based on?
Susegad Goenka is based on caju feni.
Yes.
Like all my other cocktails, I respect the Goan culture, and I like myself a lot of cocktails, so I like my favorite cocktails to go with the Goan culture. So I have come with this, one of my favorite mojito. Okay, for this I will start with the
With
lime.
lime. And how many chunks do you add over here? It's about four chunks.
4 chunks, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Because and then I have some mint leaves, and
You're adding kokum.
I'm adding kokum with this mixture.
Okay, so are you going to muddle it now?
Yes.
So Lloyd, tell me what inspired you or the name O Barco? Like, what is the meaning behind the name?
We have opened this bar with partnership. My friend and myself worked on 2 ships.
Okay.
I worked for the British market and he worked for the American market. We came together with this idea to build our dream.
Understand.
And we always dreamt of having our own bar. And end of the day, we called it O Barco, which is in Portuguese the boat.
The boat.
So we couldn't come any better name than that because it's been a life, one ship. So yes, I hope it gets to know everybody. You know, it's a very old place here and it's been closed for a long time. And we wanted to be coming up,
Okay.
people to know it more.
So the name.
After this crush, I need some ice in it.
Yeah.
Some crushed ice.
So the name O Barco is basically based on your backgrounds.
Yes, yes, yes.
And would you like to tell the audience where are you exactly located? As I did say in the
We are located at Anjuna Tinto. It's a very famous place. It's like in Portuguese, it's a joint.
And you're adding about how much mil of your caju feni?
I do add a 60 ml of caju feni in this.
Okay.
And I just top it up with limca.
Limca. Wow, that looks amazing. So what are you going to garnish this with?
I garnish this with the slit chili.
Okay. That looks amazing.
This will be a signature cocktail.
And that would be the Susegat Goenka.
Susegat Goenka, yes.
So this is one of your house cocktail as well.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, Lloyd.
Thanks for you.
Thank you very much. So guys, that was Lloyd with a signature cocktail of the O Barco Bar and Restaurant. As it's time to wrap this video, I would like to add the secret that makes this bar so special. It provides you with all sorts of indoor games such as darts, carom, cards, etc. It also showcases live football games or any other game set which is live. The O Barco provides the true Goan authentic food. And to know more about the food, there's only one way to find out. The secret, it has a table. So you guys, you got to come down here, have a lovely time with your friends and family. A big thanks to Lloyd and Basil for letting me film at their bar, which is the O Barco. And if the drinks look delicious, wait until you try the food. Well, the secret is at the table. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap for the video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see in my next video. Until then, peace.